Welcome to this quick tutorial where you will learn exactly how to buy cryptocurrencies with the Portfolio app. Before we begin, please make sure that you have set up and installed the latest version of the app. In the main portfolio view, you can select Ether. After that, you can tap on the blue Buy button. You will now be asked to select a wallet address. In most cases, you only have one address here, which is your native wallet address. Note that later on in the process you will be asked a second time to add this address. Now, a new window will open. It shows the buying widget from Mount Pelerin. Now take some time to read all available options. You see that you can use this widget to buy and sell different currencies, including fiat and cryptocurrencies. In addition to that, you can select the cryptocurrency network the funds should reside on. For example, you can also buy Optimism Ether by changing the network from Ethereum to Optimism in the drop-down menu. However, in this tutorial we will focus on buying mainnet Ether using regular Swiss francs. In order to do so, we type in the amount of CHF and select the currency ETH or Ether in the second box. You can now see that you get approximately 0.09 Ether for 100 Swiss francs. If you are fine with that as well as the commission and delivery time, tap Buy ETH to continue the process. Remember that we had to select an address before? Now you need to add this address to your profile. However, if you go through the process for the first time, you will be asked to provide your personal information too. If this information has changed, you can always check it by tapping the little human icon in the top right. After clicking Next, you will be asked to provide an email address where you want to receive your order notifications. Finally, you have reached the end. You will now have to send the amount due to the given address in order to receive the cryptocurrencies to your wallet. From now on you will be notified via email about your order status. For more information on how to sell cryptocurrencies for fiat money or how to send shares to another wallet, please see our other tutorials.